asked here is that a student added few pieces of aluminium metal into two test tubes, right? That contains ferrous sulphate and copper sulphate. So students, this is a very conceptual question. Let us made these test tubes like this. These are two test tubes. Name them as A and B. So A is containing ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4, and B is containing copper sulfate, that is CuSO4. So he is adding aluminium into both of the test tubes, right? Now the second part of the experiment is she takes another two test tubes like this, name them as C and D, and in these test tube D contains copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, and C contains aluminium sulfate, that is Al2SO4 whole thrice, like this. Okay, so in this she is adding iron, that is Fe, into the both test tube. The question asked here is, in which test tube the color change will occur on the basis of experiment. So this question is purely based on the reactivity series. So first we need to know about the metals that are most reactive, that is potassium, denoted by K, then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, and then aluminium, right? After that we have zinc, iron, middle reactivity atoms. Then we have copper and the furthermore silver, gold, mercury like atoms. So in this reaction, first she is adding aluminium to ferrous sulfate. As from the reactivity series, we know that aluminium is more reactive than iron. That means in that A test tube, the reaction or the color change will occur. We will denote it as tick. Okay. In the second test tube, copper is also least reactive than aluminium, therefore also color change takes place here. That means in the B test tube the reaction will also occur, okay, like this. Now in the third test tube, iron is least reactive than aluminium. That's why in the C test tube no reaction or the no color change will occur. We will mark it as a cross. Now iron is more reactive than copper. It will displace copper from the reaction and form FeSO4, that is iron sulfate. From this is green in color, this is blue in color. The color change will occur in the D test tube. So if it is asked in which the color change will occur, so we will mark as in the test tube A, B and D. The color change will occur due to the displacement reaction of high reactive metal that displays the least reactive metal, but in C test tube no color change or no reaction will occur due to iron is less reactive than aluminium, right? So I hope this question is now clear to you. Thank you.